Beijing Oriental Wison Technology Company Limited has been engaged in the beauty equipment fields since 2002. We are pioneering medical and aesthetic laser equipment manufacturer and national high-tech enterprise specializing in R&D, manufacturing, sales, and service of medical aesthetic equipment. We has been deeply involved in the aesthetic industry for more than 20 years and is committed to providing customers with more cost-effective, safety-guaranteed, and more stable performance aesthetic equipment. Among all aesthetic machine manufacturers in China, we are the only one capable of completely independently developing power supply and control systems. We have earned a very good reputation worldwide. We integrate on researching, developing, manufacturing, training, selling beauty laser beauty machines. Our product line covers erbium YAG laser, alexandrite laser, diode laser, IPL laser, ND YAG laser, 10,600 nanometer fractional laser, RF microneedle, EMS machines. We will also provide OEM service powerful distributors from different countries. We have obtained European CE medical certificate, ISO 13485 2016 and ISO 9001 2015 International Quality Control System certificate. Factory covers an area of 2,000 square meters. We own over 200 staff members for product software and hardware designing, producing, and selling. As one of the high-tech leading manufacturers in China beauty fields, Beijing Oriental Wison Technology Company Limited distinguishes itself for its commitment to maintenance of high-quality standards, price competitiveness, and continuous improvement of the customer satisfaction. We work under the principle of client focus, and we exist to help customers realize their hopes and dreams for beauty. We have obtained European CE medical certificate, ISO 13485 2016 and ISO 9001 2015 International Quality Control System certificate. Beijing Oriental Wison Technology Company Limited products are cumulatively exported to more than 160 countries around the world, creating great value for millions of customers. We sincerely hope that we can have chance to cooperate with you in the near future.